All right, guys, welcome to the Monday or Tuesday directions now. On Friday, you guys did the Declaration of Independence, CRT. I'm kind of got some base knowledge. Today, we're going to go on to the documents. This time, they're less documenty, I feel like, and a lot of them are kind of more like a worksheet. Um, Sorry, got a little distracted there. But as you can see here, we're going through, you just kind of run through these. What did the founding fathers write? The Declaration of Independence, record what each historian believes in the chart below. So for this one, you'll get these two interpretations here on why we did it. And then you just have to kind of basically summarize what their claim was and then kind of what pieces they used to back up their claim. So you do that twice for historian one, historian two. And then this one, you kind of just lays out a summary of the Declaration of Independence. They got some vocab here to kind of help you out because, again, this was written a long time ago. And then once you get this to this part right here, just for this part, just type it out. You're basically just going to rewrite the Declaration in your own words. So read that and then just kind of summarize it in your own words and then just type that out for that one. And then for this one, again, this one is just more about putting the paragraphs in your own words. So you'll see number one here, you'll read that part up to happiness. So you'll read, here to here, and then you'll summarize it in your own words. You'll do the second to here, you'll summarize it, put it there, and then for the third one, so on and so forth. All right, and then for this one's a little bit interesting because it says directions below. Most of the grievances from the Declaration of Independence. If the grievance seems to be something that would affect only the rich, put a O. And if the grievance for all people, put an A. So you'll just read this, and then so you'll have 1 and 2. You have an A or an O right here. For if this grievance right here, if you refuse to pay and forbid these governors to pass important and necessary laws, is that affecting all people or only the rich? You'll put an A for all, O for only the rich. And then you'll read through those and keep it going. And then these ones are more just two questions based on all these little grievances in this box here. So a lot of moving parts today. I think you'll be able to handle it though. If you're having troubles, just let me know. But I think you should be good to go. All right, talk to you guys later.